Hello, surely you already know about the fun of number block addition. I will continue to say about it today. 18.
I have a blood.
9.
I have a equal.
27. 15.
I have a blood.
5.
I have a equal.
20. 11.
I have a blood.
14.
I have a equal.
25. 16.
I have a blood.
12.
I have a equal.
28. 10.
I have a blood.
15.
I have a equal.
25. 20.
I have a blood.
19.
I have a equal.
38. Sorry, 39. 3.
I have a blood.
14.
I have a equal.
17. 14.
I have a blood.
15.
I have a equal.
29. 3.
I have a blood. I have a equal.
17. 4.
I have a blood.
1.
I have a equal.
5. 4.
I have a blood.
2.
I have a equal.
6. 19.
I have a blood.
16.
I have a equal.
35. 2.
I have a blood.
10.
I have a equal.
12. 8.
I have a blood. I have a equal.
20. 8.
I have a blood.
11.
I have a equal.
29. 9.
I have a blood.
1.
I have a equal.
10. Today my head is not good, so sharing with you is not good, but I will try my best. 15.
I have a blood.
13.
I have a equal.
28. 3.
I have a blood.
1.
I have a equal.
4. 10.
I have a blood.
10.
I have a equal.
20. 9,
I have a blood.
15,
I have a equal.
34. Sorry, 24. 3,
I have a blood.
12,
I have a equal.
15, 8,
I have a blood.
15,
I have a equal.
23, 8,
I have a blood.
20,
I have a equal.
28, 13,
I have a blood.
13,
I have a equal.
26, 14,
I have a blood.
4,
I have a equal.
18, 2,
I have a blood.
4,
I have a equal.
6, 15,
I have a blood.
20,
I have a equal.
35, 7,
I have a blood.
14,
I have a equal.
21, 11,
I have a blood.
6,
I have a equal.
17, 17,
I have a blood.
17,
I have a equal.
34, 12,
I have a blood.
6,
I have a equal.
18, 6,
I have a blood.
18,
I have a equal.
24. The lesson today is complete. Thank you very much and goodbye.